Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to tackle a Takara Fakie pony. So if you don't know anything about Takaras, they actually were a Japanese exclusive version of My Little Pony. And this one here is actually a fake version, but she's still pretty cute. So we're just going to start off by doing a little bathing here with some Dawn dish soap and our trusty toothbrush and magic eraser. Next, we're going to go ahead and pull the little tiny bit of hair that she still has on her out. And first we're going to trim it so it can come through the holes easily. And then we're going to take our pliers and just pull it right out. So next we're going to take some white acrylic paint and really touch up her muzzle here. As you can see, she's had a lot of paint chip off over the years, and we need to replace that for her so she can look as beautiful as she did when she was new. Here I'm just applying some 40 volume developer so I can put her underneath the UV lamp. I do have a UV chamber. I'm just going to get the lamp out to show you what it is. But that's just because I do plan on sealing her, and there is a UV sealant on that. If I don't do it now, then these little places that are a little bit discolored will stay discolored forever. So I'm going to put some Mr. Super Clear on, and I'm wearing a ventilator. I'm outside. I have my gloves on and goggles, just because it is very toxic and you don't want to get it on your skin, and you also don't want to inhale it. And finally comes my favorite part, and I say that sarcastically. It's not that I dislike it, it's just probably the most difficult part for me, and that is rehairing. She doesn't have a ton of hair to be putting on, so it's not going to take too long. But it has always been traditionally the part that I kind of dread the most. I have learned that using the tool to open up the holes makes a huge difference. If you do that beforehand, you're not struggling to get it in there. And of course, once you have put the hair plugs in, you need to glue them in. So I'm just using tacky glue to do that. I'm going to use a toothpick. I'm going to use a Q-tip to make sure that it gets all of those hair strands on the inside. So I gave her bangs of trim and made her a little hair accessory, and there she is. I hope you had fun, I hope you learned something, and I'll see you guys next time.